This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off WhatsApp but your mobile data is on. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are you frustrated by WhatsApp using up your mobile data even when you're not actively using it? To combat excessive data consumption, user can employ several strategies. Settings alert to monitor specific data draining activities such as browser searches, broadcasts, and media updates can help. However, WhatsApp is often a major culprit quietly running in the background and consuming data unnecessary. Or maybe you just don't want anyone disturb you on the WhatsApp, so you want to turn off your WhatsApp without disconnect your mobile data. How to do it? So simple. So first, as you can see in here, I have two WhatsApp app. I'm sorry. This one and also the WhatsApp business. So I will try to turn off this, and I will try to send message from this one. So as you can see in here, my mobile data is still active. You can open the WhatsApp, tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. I'm sorry, before that, I will show you first that I still can send message to that. Still double tick, and here's the message. We can still receive the message. Now, you can just open the WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. You can just scroll down. Tap on storage and data. There's an option proxy. You can just tap on that. You can use proxy. You can set up proxy. Tap on set up proxy. And here you can just enter one like this. After that, you can just tap on checklist in here. You can go back, and now it's disconnected. It means your WhatsApp is already turned off. Now let's try to send message. As you can see in here, the note is pending. It means this WhatsApp is turned off. Now let's try to send a message from other WhatsApp. Only single tick, but we still can get notified from WhatsApp that we may have new messages. But as you can see in here on here, the WhatsApp is still not active. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off WhatsApp without disconnect the mobile data. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.